What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. This week was pretty dang awesome. So looking at the markets movement this week, we had some good upwards movement, some good downwards movement, and it was just a great week overall for trading. So let's get right into this week's recap. So there are a couple new updates with the swing plays. We'll start out with the new KWEB call play that we have going. We picked this up on Friday. It is a risky play, but it definitely has potential going forward. The Intel play was picked up a little bit earlier in the week that also has potential going forward. And then we did have one losing play, which was TLT, that expired on Friday. This was also somewhat of a risky play. It was like $121 to in terms of risk, and then the potential reward was just insane with this one. So we did end up taking an L, but that's trading. Can't win them all, but yeah, so I just wanted to bring that up. But overall, you know, there are some decent setups that we have going, and as the market continues to have actual good movement, and as long as it's not extremely choppy, there will be many great plays in the short-term future. So I'm definitely excited about that. Looking at the bot plays from this week, it was an absolutely amazing week. What I really liked about this week is, you know, if we go through each play, like the Monday play popped for 22%. The Tuesday play popped for 39%. Wednesday popped for just under 35%. Thursday popped for around 20%. Friday popped for basically 49%. These are all awesome winners, right? But on top of that is that most of these plays popped very quickly, in the sense of, like, let's say we look at GLD as an example. Like, it pulled back for a little bit intraday, right around here, right where my cursor is. But for the most part, it had a nice, consistent ride up throughout the rest of the day. So I loved this week for the bot. I know a lot of you guys did as well. It was absolutely amazing, and I hope as many weeks possible going forward can be exactly like this. Of course, in the future, there will definitely be losses, just like there will be with any other strategy, any other program, anything. You know, you can't win them all, but yeah, the bot did great this week. I have zero complaints at all. I'm very happy with how it did. And then looking at the premium selling plays, if you're not shorting puts, definitely look into it. Shorting puts is hands down the best strategy there is, in my opinion, when it's done correctly. In order to do it correctly, you need to be shorting the puts on a stock that you would not mind owning for the long term. And what makes short puts even better is when we have stocks low and we have implied volatility high. So for example, if we look at a stock like Shopify, you know, this stock a year ago was trading for like $160 or so, and now it's trading for $30. So when you have stocks low, it makes it just better. It makes it's better to get it at a low price, and just in general, but also too, it requires less of a margin requirement. So if the stock's at 160, that means you need 16 grand to short a put in cash secure it. When the stock's at 30, you only need 3 grand. So like that opens up a lot of opportunity for many people. And then on top of that, when the stock drops in a rapid way, like most of the stocks did over the past year, implied volatility shoots up, which means the insurance premium or the options premium also explodes up, which basically means you're getting paid more to write those options than you would in a normal environment. So it's just like a win in like every way you look at it. If you need help shorting puts, feel free to tag Tom, Hunter, or myself in the Discord, and we can definitely help you out. Short puts are absolutely awesome, and I definitely recommend it if you have not gotten into them already. Besides that, I'm very excited going forward. We still have many big moves upcoming in the market. A lot of big earnings releases coming up, so it's going to be a wild next couple weeks. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Besides that, have an amazing weekend.